All right, so it's time to switch this thing. What I've done, I removed the entire valence piece, as you can see here. Took it right on off. All you do is put your hand back here, kind of pop it out, pop it out, pop it out, pop it out. And then you lower your steering wheel, drop it down as low as you can. Put the car into the lowest gear. Go ahead and pop that all the way out and around, and then pull it off gently. Next thing you do, pop this top piece, which kind of was nestled in here, something like this. Just literally worked it out. All right, so what you're gonna wanna do is line that line up with that hole. The battery is disconnected right now. I highly recommend you do that as well, or else you'll be completely starting the car. But you line these two up, grab your trusty pick, poke it right into that hole right there once you have everything lined up, and then you pull the ignition and it'll come right out. There we go. There it is, just like that, folks. All right, now that you've got it out, you're gonna basically put it back in the same way it went, or that it came out. It slides right in like that, and your key should be good to go. Boom. The car would be starting right now, but the battery's disconnected. Now all there's left to do is to replace this guy, replace your dash valence, and you're done.